Hello, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're the proud owners of DryTech Exteriors, your emergency roof repair specialist in Dayton, Ohio. In times of urgent roofing crisis, understanding the immediate steps to take and ensuring you have a reliable partner to navigate through that emergency with is critical.
When disaster strikes your roof, whether it's due to severe weather, unexpected damage, or sudden leaks, there's no time to waste. That's where our expertise at DryTech Exteriors comes into play. We specialize in rapid response and efficient repair solutions tailored to address your emergency roofing needs promptly. Our goal is to mitigate damage, secure your property, and provide peace of mind during a stressful situation.
What's our approach during an emergency? It starts with our rapid deployment inspection team. The moment you reach out to DryTech Exteriors in an emergency, we prioritize your call and swiftly arrange for an experienced roofing expert to assess the damage. Our assessments are thorough and aimed at quickly identifying the problem areas and determining the most effective course of action to protect your home or business from further damage.
Emergency roof repairs demand a high level of expertise and an immediate, effective response. It's not just about a quick fix. It's about ensuring the safety and integrity of your roofing system to prevent future vulnerabilities. A delayed or inadequate response can exacerbate the situation, leading to more significant damage, interior water damage, and potentially hazardous conditions. That's why it's crucial to rely on a trusted roofing company with a track record of prompt and proficient emergency services.
Why should DryTech Exteriors be your go-to for emergency roof repairs? Well, our dedication to swift, reliable, and high-quality service sets us apart. Our team is composed of skilled professionals who are not only equipped to handle emergency repairs efficiently, but also committed to using the highest quality materials to ensure a durable and lasting solution. Plus, our responsive service and comprehensive warranties offer you the assurance you need during an emergency.
Our reputation for excellence in Dayton is well established. DryTech Exteriors has been recognized as the best of Dayton, a favorite on Nextdoor. We've been honored with the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. Our Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status underscores our commitment to customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability, even in the face of emergencies. Our numerous 5-star reviews reflect our dedication to providing exceptional service when it matters most.
To sum up, when faced with a roofing emergency, timely and professional repairs by DryTech Exteriors can make all the difference. Don't let an emergency situation compromise your safety or the integrity of your roof. Choose DryTech Exteriors for your immediate, effective solutions. Contact us anytime and let our family-owned business provide the urgent care your roof needs.